But the difference with this blower to most blowers is the design of the fan. Most blowers have a kind of vertical turbine which blow to one side, and what Wiedenamnn has done, they've made this mega twister on the back of a smaller machine that they've been doing for years now called a whisper twister. And the name whisper twister came around with the type of fan because it's quieter than the traditional turbines, so it's a bit less offensive when it's out on the course. And this is the same sort of idea of fan that you get in the demister of your car. And it's quieter, it's lots of small fins as opposed to big paddles. And the way it's positioned off centre inside this hopper, the wind that the fan creates is accelerated, or as it moves round. You see this gap getting bigger and bigger as it comes to the exit point, and it produces 390 metres cubed of air in a minute, which is a lot when you compare it to others. It sits on wheels as well as opposed to a roller. So instead of having quite often you're blowing leaves in the autumn and it's wet and the rollers can make a mess, whereas the wheels can, they're caster wheels, they can pivot around without making a mess. And then its exit point, you can adjust the height of this nozzle through a top link, or you can have a hydraulic ram in here as well, which you can position. So if you've got a tractor with two lots of spool valves, then you can rotate the hopper. Forgot to mention that. One of the benefits of having the hopper this way is that you can rotate it through 270 degrees. So if you're going down a fairway and you turn round, or it means you can turn round and change the direction of the blower as opposed to having to reverse back up, to keep consistency. So here you can see this has more benefits than just being able to blow one direction. You can reverse it up to a green and move it from left to right to blow the dew off it. You can reverse, you can position debris in between trees and hidden away into the rough at the side of a fairway if you've got parkland courses. So it makes it much more easy when you can direct the air where you want it to go.